Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting on organizational behavior, understanding people at work. The topic explores how individuals behave, interact, and contribute within workplace settings. Let's dive into the world of human behavior in organizations. Introduction to organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is the study of human behavior in organizational settings. It helps us understand how individuals and groups act within organizations, how this behavior affects performance and outcomes. So, why is organizational behavior important? It drives productivity, employee satisfaction, innovation, and helps in creating a positive work culture. Organizational behavior can be studied on three levels: the individual, the group, and the organizational level. Each level gives us a better understanding of workplace dynamics. Key elements of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is shaped by five key elements: people, the human capital of an organization, each with unique skills and personalities; structure, the hierarchy and relationships that guide workflow and authority; three, technology, the tools and systems that influence how work is done; environment, the external influences like the economy or industry changes; social system, the informal relationships, culture, and communication styles in the workplace. All these components interact to create the behavior we observe in organizations. Personality and attitudes. Let's now look at the role of personality and attitudes in organizational behavior. The big five personality traits: openness, consciousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism are major predictors of workplace behavior. Job satisfaction is a positive emotional response an individual has towards the job. When people are satisfied, they're more likely to be productive and loyal. Organizational commitment is how strongly an employee identifies with the organization and its goals. This affects retention and performance. And finally, cognitive attitudes or beliefs shape how people interpret and respond to workplace experiences. Motivation and leadership. Motivation is the inner drive that pushes people to act. We can understand it using Maslow's hierarchy of needs. At the base, we have psychological, physiological needs like food and rest. Next is safety, for job security and stability. Then social needs, or the sense of belonging. Esteem needs follow, the desire for recognition. And at the top is self-actualization, achieving one's full potential. Leadership plays a critical role in motivation. Leaders who understand these needs can aspect their teams effectively through support, communication, and by creating the right environment. Communication and group dynamics. Communication is essential in every organization. There are various types: verbal, spoken, and written communication; non-verbal, body language, tone of voice; formal, email, reports; informal, the grapevine or casual talks. Barriers like physical distance, semantic confusion, psychological bias, and organizational hierarchy can disrupt communication. Let's talk about group dynamics. Groups go through stages: forming, team members get to know each other; storming, conflicts and differences arise; norming, the teams build cohesion; performing, the team works effectively towards goals. Understanding these dynamics help build strong, efficient teams. Organizational culture and change. Organizational culture is shared set of values, beliefs, and norms that define how work gets done. A strong culture can boost engagement, drive performance, and create alignment across departments, but organizations must also be ready to change. Change management is a structured approach to transitioning individuals and teams from a current state to a desired future state. Renaissance to change due to fear, habits, or uncertainty is natural, but with the right communication and leadership, it can be overcome. So, why organizational behavior matters? To wrap up, why does organizational behavior matter? At the individual level, it helps us adapt, grow, and succeed in our careers. For teams, organizational behavior enhances collaboration, trust, and effectiveness. For organizations, it creates a competitive advantage by building a strong people-centered culture. Understanding organizational behaviors equips with the tools to lead, inspire, and build better workplaces.